When compounded by monthly, 15,000 becomes 22,318.30 after 5 years. What is the nominal rate of interest? What is the equivalent rate of interest if it is compounded quarterly? What is the effective rate of interest if it is compounded quarterly? So to solve for the given problem, let us first list down the given. So after 5 years, 15,000 becomes 22,318.30. So we have here our P of 15,000. Your F after 5 years is 22,318.30 pesos, and the number of years is equal to 5. It is compounded by monthly, therefore we have M equals 6 because it has to be compounded 6 times in a year. What is the nominal rate of interest? So for number 1, we are required to solve for the value of R, then another value of R if it is compounded quarterly. And for number 3, we have the effective rate. So the cash flow would likely look like this. So this is your P, this is your F, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Now for the solution, for number 1, we have F is equal to P times 1 plus I raised to N. So by substitution, we have 22,318.3 equals P of 15,000 multiplied by 1 plus I. So we're looking for the value of R, so I is R over M of 6 raised to N is My, so that will be 6 times 5. So the value of our effective rate is, or the value of the nominal rate of interest is 22,318.30 equals 15,000 times 1 plus, so nominal rate over 6 raised to 6 times 5, so that's equal to, let's say, so 0.08 or 8%. So that gives the answer for number 1. Now for number 2, what is the equivalent rate of interest if it is compounded quarterly? So we equate their effective rates. So for by monthly, we have 1 plus the nominal rate of 8% over 6 raised to 6 equals, for quarterly, 1 plus R over 4 raised to 4. So the value of R for number 2 is equal to 1 plus 0.08 over 6 raised to 6 equals 1 plus then equivalent rate over 4 raised to 4. So the value is it takes too long for the calculator. Let's wait. Let's try again. 1 plus 0.08 over 6 raised to 6 equals 1 plus the effective rate over 4 raised to 4. We have R equals 8.03%. Now, what is the effective rate if it is compounded quarterly? So we have R equals 1 plus R over M raised to M minus 1. So we have 1 plus 0.0803 over 4 raised to 4 minus 1. So the effective rate is equal to 1 plus 0.0803 over 4 raised to 4 raised to 4 minus 1. We have 8.28%, and that answers number 3.